What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna bring you lesson 8, which is about a complete tutorial on phonics. Learn to read vowel teams, E sound as in feet. And also our objectives for this lesson are: recognize words, phrases, and sentences with E as it sounds in feet, and answer who, what, when, and where questions. So our topic is E as in feet. Did, feed, leak, meek, feel, heal, dim, seem, deep, keep, beer, dear, beef, feet. And you need to prepare flashcard of words, phrases, and sentences, pictures, and real objects. And our value focus for this lesson is about kindness to animals. So, to start your lesson, you need to have a drill of these letters. Initial consonant of this letter, you need to produce the sound of these letters, guys. B, D, G, L, F, M, P, R, S, T, V, and Z. So I'm gonna produce the sound of these letters. B, D, G, L, M, P, R, S, T, V, Z. And continue with the drill of sight words: with, and, which, when, who, on, for, the, where. Phrases and sentences: fat man, on the mat, in the cap, hate the rate, cape and tape, gape and gape. A man had a cane, he taps on the pane, Matt came and sat. So, to begin your lesson, you need to read a rhyme. Beep, beep, beep. It is a jeep. Run into it, re. Run into it, lee. And seek the bees. And you let the students repeat after you. Beep, beep, beep. It is a jeep. Run into it, re. Run into it, lee, and seek the bees. And followed up the question: do you like to keep on learning new words? Yes, and that will make you feel very good. Let us begin. So, start by reading by word families. The teacher introduces E. Students repeat E. Students blend B and E, then read B. Do the same with words in the E family. Read the words by whole class, by groups, by rows, and individual students. E, B, and E, B, F, and E, fee, W, and E, we, S, and E, see, L, and E, lee. Number 2. Teacher introduces the id family. Students repeat id. Students sound w and id, then read weed. Do the same with words in the id family. Read the words by whole class, by groups, by rows, and individual groups. Eat, w, and eat, weed, d, and eat, did, s, and eat, seed, f, and eat, feed, r, and eat, read, d, and eat, did. Teacher repeats procedure in introducing the if, ik, il, im, ip, eat, and ear families. If, b, and if, beef, r, and if, reef, ik, w, and ik, week, and ik, leak, and ik, meek, and ik, peak, s, and ik, seek, r, and ik, reek. Eel family. R and eel, real, and eel, peel, and eel, feel, and eel, heel. Im family. S and im, seem, d, and im, deem, t, and im, team. In family. S and in, seen, b, and in, bean, k, and in, keen, k, and in, queen. Ip family. W and ip, weep, d, and ip, deep, and ip, peep, j, and ip, jeep, k, and ip, keep, b, and ip, beep. Eat family. And eat, meat, f, and eat, feet, b, and eat, beat. Ear family. B and ear, beer, d, and ear, deer, j, and ear, jeer, and ear, leer, p, and ear, peer, s, and ear, seer, w, and ear, wear. So, move on to unlocking of the faculties through pictures and real objects of these words. Seat, queen, deer, beer, feet, weed, bee, beef, reef. And through gestures and actions, you can show students peel banana, seek a red bag, keep into the room, peer at the picture. And for context, done orally by the teacher. So you asked, what is your pet? Why do you give your pet to eat? So you feed your pet with blank. You feed your cat with milk. Feed your bird with seeds. Feed your dog with beef. Number 2. Her is Maya. While you talk so much, she is quiet. She just listens. She does not talk when she is not asked. She is meek. Are you meek? Who else is meek in the class? Who is meek? Number 3. What do you have in your bag? Let us see what you keep in our bag. Oh, you keep a book in your bag? How about you? Do you keep a pencil in your bag? Say, I keep a pencil. Who keeps a candy in his bag? So now, moving to reading of phrases. See the beat. Feel the need. Beep the jeep. Keep the seed. See the queen. Peel the seed. Seek the bee. Seen a week. Sick and seek. Need a seed. Had been seen. Peel and feel. So after you model these guys to the students, you read again and let the students repeat after the teacher. See the beat. Feel the need. Beep the jeep. Keep the seed. See the queen. Peel the seed. Seek the bee. Seen a week. Sick and sick. Need a seed. Had been seen. Peel and feel. Move on to reading of sentences, and after each sentence you ask question. I see the queen. What did I see? I see the queen. We peel the seeds. What did we do with the seeds? We peel the seeds. It can be a bee. What can it be? It can be a bee. Lee runs to the jeep. What does Pee-wee need? Do pears at the deer. Who peers at the deer? Kim was seen in the jeep. Where was Kim? I peel and keep the seed. What did you do with the seed? I peel and keep the seed. So, followed up by reading a story. Teacher read the story first and let the students listen, and after the teacher reads while students listen, let the students read the story. Ben and Lee. I am Ben and she is Lee. We are kids of Master T. I peel the seed. She feeds them to the pig. The pig runs to me. It sees the feeds. So, moving on to comprehension questions or your discussions. Questions, guys. Who are the kids of Master T? So, let the students answer. What does Ben do? What does Lee do? What runs to Ben? Why does it run to Ben? Are Ben and Lee kind to the pig? How do they show kindness to the pig? Okay, Ben and Lee feed a pig. This is, guys, your value focus here question. Are you kind to the animals at home? How do you show kindness to animals? Yes? So, number 5, guys, framing words, phrases, and sentences in the story. Matching words, phrases, and sentences on flashcards. strip of poster paper to those in the story. So, exercises. Activity 1, guys. Read from the chart or chalkboard. Proceed down the column first and then across the columns. So, this is where you go back to your word families. And then, activity 2, group 1, guys. Circle a word with E. Read them to the class. So, you have here B, seed, C, fee, P, week. Okay. Next, activity 2. Practice reading the phrases in your group. Read to the class together. See the bee. Keep the seeds. Feel the need. Pick and seek. Fee of the deer. Activity 3. Read the rhyme to the class. Beep, beep, beep. It is a jeep. Run into it key, ran into it Lee, and seek the bees. Activity 4. Let us complete the column of words. Let's do it by row. The first row to finish is the winner. Okay, guys, so this is your model. Yes. Activity 5. It is a contest. Give me what I want. The first player will say, give me a word with. Example, eat. The next player answers feed. If he is correct, he asks next. If he is wrong, he remains standing until he gives the correct answer, and the game continues. The teacher starts the game. Activity 6. Reading the story. Ben and Lee. I am Ben and she is Lee. We are kids of Mr. T. I peel the seed. She feeds them to the pig. The pig runs to me. It sees the feeds. And for your evaluation, guys, you can do this by writing or orally. Okay? Write on your paper the letter to word, phrases, or sentence that tells about the picture. Okay, guys, again, you can do this orally or through writing. Picture A, picture number 1, you have B, C, fee. So, have the students answer. Picture number 2, keep, weed, weep. Picture number 3, keep the pig, feed the pig, peel the pig. Picture number 4, beep the deer, beep the seed, beep the jeep. And number 5, Ben has seen the queen, Ben has seen the feet, Ben has seen the feed. So guys, that's all for our complete tutorial today. I hope you enjoy and learn something new. I have some more stuff coming out soon. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Thank you very much, guys.